Here we have a circle. The point in the middle here is called the center. If we consider a line which goes from this edge to this edge through the center, it's given a special name. It's called the diameter. If we have a line which just goes from the center to the edge, this is known as a radius. If we say that the radius has length r and that the diameter has length d, it should be clear that since the diameter is made up of two radii, that it will be twice the length of a radius. We can write d is equal to 2r. An important feature of a circle is that all radii are of equal length. The distance from the center to the edge anywhere around the circle is the same. So all of these radii are equal in length. Now consider the distance around a circle. For most shapes, when we talk about the distance around the shape, we call it the perimeter. For the circle, it has a special name. The distance around is called the circumference. So the circumference of a circle is the distance you'd walk around if you walked right the way around the edge. One of the things the ancient Greeks were very interested in was the relationship between the length of the diameter for a circle and the length of its circumference. They found that the length of the circumference was equal to pi times the length of the diameter. Pi is a special number, which is why we give it a symbol rather than just writing the number out. If you try pi on your calculator, you'll find it's about 3.1415926, and so on. In fact, we can't write down the whole of this number. This decimal expansion goes on forever and has no pattern to it. This is one of the reasons that we have the symbol for it. Pi is very important, and indeed is the most used number in mathematics. Since we know that the diameter is twice the radius, we could replace d with 2 times r. So the circumference is 2 times pi times the radius. This is the most common formula used for the circumference, and the one you should remember. It was also found that the area of a circle is equal to pi times r squared. So that's pi times the radius times the radius.